I just saw that it's going to ask me. Actually, it's going to give me the commands that I could actually, if I wanted to, I could paste those here in my terminal once the virtual environment set up. I don't have that set up yet, and you can tell because the brackets are missing right there, but we can have it make the directories. It's fine. And then it's going to create, and you can see those just pop up right here. Boom, it did all the folders for me, which I find just fantastic. It's absolutely insane. And it's created my requirements. We got the app right here. Now it's going to initiate my blueprint, which you see right there. Yep. Let's create the base configuration. There we go. Excellent. Now let's create the blueprint files. Oh, wow. So it's going to get in there. Boom. It's doing those. Resume PY. Done that. Projects. The git ignore. That's good. Let's open these all up and see what we got. There's projects. Okay, good. And a README. You need a README, of course. I totally forgot about that, but it still was able to figure that out and needed that, which is very smart. And pretty much we have almost everything set up. Pretty fantastic. So next, what we're going to do is we're going to need to create the virtual environment. It obviously did not create my env and my venv, so I'm going to ask it to do that. Oh, it's not done yet. Let's see what it does here. So I can actually put all my text files here into the text folder where they belong, which I'm going to do that. Into my media folder, move those over. Boom, there we go. Sometimes it gets stuck a little bit, so I got to make sure. Here's the Cascade running. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. There we go. So here it is. This is where you can see actually what the AI is doing in my terminal, which I find fantastic. And then here is my terminal. So it is going to create my thing real quick. So I'll watch when I accept this. It goes across. Oh, I forgot the 3. It always does that. Since we are not in the actual virtual environment just yet, it's still going to need the 3 on there. And there it is. Boom. Okay. And as you can see, it's done my venv folder. It's got my stuff in it. I like to put a dot in front so I can exclude it. It's really up to personal preference how you're going to set this up. If it's venv.venv. But I like it to be hidden just like my env folder. There's no need for somebody to copy your code and have the venv folder. You're going to recreate it anyway. So once they recreate it, they're going to run this requirements. And as you can see, pip install requirements. We don't have anything in the requirements, or we shouldn't. Oh, no, we do, of course. Okay, these are the basic dependencies that we need to be able to run that. And there we are. The basic structure is in place. You can access it. So we could try this out. Let's see how we're doing. As you can see, there's no S. It's just running locally. And we're going to try that out in my browser right here. And let's check out, I believe over here I already had something running from before. So we can just run this. We don't want the S in here. It's not going to work. So we're going to take this out. We're going to go 1 and bam. Oh, and so now it wasn't able to run it. Let me do a little debugging here and we'll be right back.